Alright, we got new tires. And we got new brakes. We're ready to roll. We just gotta get our engine flushed and our oil changed. And our new serpentine timing belt. That's like $1,000 more. We're working on that though. So we got new tires in the front and the back. We got them siped. Look at those extra lines you get when you get them siped. You get another lines for traction. And we're up in the woods. Yogi. Hey, boo boo. Well, we got to get another 150,000 miles out of this before we trade it in. But we got new brakes. Those were $450 or something. And new tires were $600. So like $1,000, $1,100 after tax. Look at all these mosquitoes. Come on, Bill Gates. Yeah, get out of here. Mosquitoes everywhere. You can't have a discovery pass up here? What? We need a Northwest Forest pass now. Discovery passes aren't good up here, even though they say they are down the street. You gotta have a Northwest Forest pass. But we got the bathroom done. Now it's time to go do some deliveries all day and come back up once we make it a couple hundred. Rinse and repeat, man, for the next 10 years, I guess, or whatever we die. Maybe we should get a job at the Forest Service just cleaning out trash. Emptying trash bins and taking them to the dump, and you get $100 or so a day. That's not too bad. But we got the tires and brakes done, so we're good. $1,100. Now we're broke and we need some money. Nobody even came down last night because it's raining and cold. Where are we at? Mount Baker, Snoqualmie National Forest at the Middle Fork Campground. But there's paid camping up here for $30 a night. Or you can just park in your car for free anywhere up here. Pretty cool. No point in paying $30 a night if you're just gonna sleep in your car. Where's the yogis?